All right, Cam, are you ready to see your room? You want to show the people our room? Welcome to room deck 9, room 316.
And here are the keys to your vacation.
Ooh, look. If you look closely, it says 316. They don't show any info, but look, it's purple. It's a purple card. It's not the blue ones.
Like,
all right, Cam, give Cam his. All right, we got cards. Cameron LaFleur.
Here you go.
There we go. All right, Cam, open it up. Nice.
Come in.
Welcome to my family infinite balcony suite.
Ooh, I don't think it's a suite though. It's a stateroom.
Oh,
Too bad. Maybe next time. Nice. So when you walk in here, look at this.
It feels like a suite, honestly.
It does. It's huge.
Okay?
Wow.
He said, wow, beautiful.
Cam's enjoying it. So this is going to be Cameron's section. This is the family section right here that they talk about.
Yeah, 2 beds, 2 TVs. Look at these cool steps, Cam.
Wow.
Look at this hiding spot right here.
What? You got a
Where's
little nook.
Mommy?
You got a little nook. Look at that nook she's in.
Cam!
You got a hiding spot, Cam? That's so
gonna hide?
cool.
Oh, where's Cameron? Bye!
And you can close the curtain for them. That's hilarious.
Love it. All right.
All right, that's not the only thing. So if you have 2 kids or 1 kid, you can pull this curtain closed here. So they can have curtains closed, and then you could do a double curtain close. And they have storage, which is cool. Like you have these drawers here, 2 drawers where you can put stuff. And instead of like putting suitcases somewhere, yeah, you can put them there where he's hiding, which is really neat. And kids love it. And it's pretty safe because they give you a railing too for the kids to hold, which is nice. And this is where their own thermostat is here. So which is really nice. So like you could set their thermostat and then ours would be right here as soon as we walk in. We could set the thermostat for the whole room.
I love that.
And then that's for the lights. Mm-hmm. And you got this really cool chalkboard.
Chalkboard.
And we love chalk. So that's gonna be really fun. Comes with chalk. You can write whatever you want, anything you want. Oh yeah.
The floating adventures.
Woo! We made it, baby. The floating adventures. So as you walk through the room here, you'll see these buttons here. Let's see what they do. I don't even know. I guess buttons for the
It's for the bathroom.
for the bathroom. So this is the first bathroom. Want to walk in there?
Sure.
Show them what it looks like.
So, our toilet, 1 sink, lots of shelving space.
Nice.
I love it.
I believe this is the definition of like what they call the washroom. So like you can come do your business and whatever you need in here, and it's completely separate from another bathroom.
And, whoa, you okay?
Daddy running into things. We're good.
Wow, look at this.
Let me see. Oh wow, this is a whole new. Okay, so
Another
you get
sink.
yeah,
More shelving space.
a lot of
There's
shelving.
2 bathrooms.
Yeah, dude, that's
Yeah.
crazy, right? This one is the shower.
And
Wow.
this is the shower.
Want to step in there? Show them the
Oh
size of the
my
shower.
God. Look at this. It's like, it's small, but it's not.
It's not
that
small at all. It's not small at all.
It's not like a dome
Yeah.
like the other ships.
Hello.
I love it in here. Hello. Hi.
Nice. And again, the shelving is really cool. Mirror. Hey, that's me behind the camera.
I love this. It's so cute.
Towels. Is this anything here? Wow, more storage. Wow, that's awesome.
Yeah, that is great. Wow.
All right, so as we come out here,
Some hooks.
some hooks.
Look at this full mirror right here for our
Yeah.
family pictures before we go.
I think it's special. Check the mirror. Try to pull the mirror. I think it's a secret compartment.
Oh my God.
Look at all that.
A little safe.
Little safe.
the-
It can't fit like
and
anything
stuff.
huge like a tablet or
Yeah.
a thing, but you put your passports, your cash, your jewelry
A wallet.
in there,
whatever.
which is nice. All right, we're gonna pause the video right here because you didn't even notice something. What's that?
Robes.
That's right, but those aren't the regular robes.
Did you order these?
Yes.
Wow.
These are Royal Caribbean special luxury robes with the. These aren't the robes you see us wear that we have to ask for and then they just wash. These are wrapped in plastic because no one's ever worn them before, and they're ours.
We get to take them home.
We get to take them home.
I love it. Can I open it now?
No, let's
Okay.
finish the room tour.
Okay.
Focus.
Let's
right.
do it.
So we got closets there.
Before I even open the closet, I see this right here.
Yeah.
Look at these
Oh,
cool-
terrible. I think they're terrible.
Why?
You hear that?
It's okay. It's space. I like it.
Yeah. Baskets. Yeah. Okay.
Closet hanging
For dresses and
space,
stuff.
yeah.
And more hanging closet space.
This looks like it's for you.
Yeah. I miss the drawers. I like the drawers better. I think I'm gonna have to. I'm honestly gonna take out the baskets probably and just. I don't know. I might just use the shelving. Because
Okay.
imagine pulling that out in the middle of the night.
What are you doing in the middle of the night that you need to open baskets?
You know, I don't know.
Okay, moving on.
Please.
Star of the Seas is awesome. Look at all these drawers. Oh my God. Wow.
Nice.
More storage everywhere. Our little cooler. Right?
So it's not a fridge, it's a cooler.
It's a cooler. We have the vanity mirror here.
Oh, it turns off all the lights, controls. So here you got some outlets going. I see a European outlet, USB outlet, USB-C outlet, and just a regular you can plug in. We like to bring, we'll show you guys later in another video, like the stuff we like to bring for electronics. But we have a multi-USB port. Which is
Look
cool.
at this table.
Oh, nice. Pull out the
So
table.
if you want to do your work.
Do your work on vacation. Yep, that's exactly what I want to
I mean,
do.
you brought your laptop, so that
True.
means something.
All right, I'm gonna keep reversing here. We're getting to, oh, look at that, more shelving here. You know, oh, and look at this low-key charging spot no one even talks about. You can literally put like your Apple Watches here or something and just
Yeah,
leave it
that's cool.
there. That's so smooth, right?
And then each bed stand also has more shelving space.
More shelving space and USB outlet in the lamps, which is cool.
Oh, that's nice.
And look, Cam's having a good time. Look at that, he's playing with his chalkboard. That's what it's all about. And we have the beautiful bed here. Wow, this bed is awesome.
Yeah.
Ah, that's it right there. Thumbnail
I love it.
with the Star of the Seas.
And your face on it.
Oh man. And then like, oh, nice. This side has actually not just a lamp outlet, but also you have an electric outlet. So you could plug it in here.
And a master, right?
Yeah, it turns off all the lights except for the lamps.
Love that.
TV, does it pull out? I don't think so.
No, it never does.
You never know. Okay, all right.
Our couch is really nice. We
It's
didn't even
really
talk about
big.
it.
Yeah, some of these couches pull out, but I don't think this one does because it's the Family
Mom,
Infinite. I'm not
Come
sure.
to my bed.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah.
It doesn't pull out, but it's really nice.
Mom,
Yeah.
my bed is cool.
Yeah,
It
I
is.
love it. We're coming. We're gonna look at the balcony. Come. All right, so this is the most controversial part of all the rooms that are infinite. So this is the infinite balcony, quote unquote. But you can close the curtain. She's closing the curtains. Oh, I love that. They have like leather straps. Beautiful. You see that? So it's really bright and then it just becomes really dark in here. You don't even see the bright light. which is
Ready?
really nice.
Are you ready for this part?
So, all right, so let's see. Boom!
Do it again, do it again.
Do it again, do it again. I didn't get it on camera. Do it again.
Do it again.
Alright.
Do it again.
All right, so the big reveal.
Okay, are you ready? Stand in front of me. Stand in front of me. Stand in front of me.
This is why we don't do room tours. There's just
Woo! Hello.
But we got extra space, and this is not a balcony. It's actually an infinite balcony, and let's be real, it's a window. It's a huge window. And what's nice about it is, if it's really breezy outside, you don't want to be outside, you can still get all the views, and it looks really cool because it's from like floor to ceiling, and it's really wide. And that brings down the shade, the blackout curtains. So you show them how to bring them down.
Wow, I didn't even know that.
That's a button for the blackout curtains.
Yes.
Pick me up.
Pick you
And they
up.
put it nice and high so kids don't mess with it. That's what I love about that.
Ooh, that's nice.
And then boom, you have your blackout room.
Let's do it again.
I love that.
And then she presses the button once, it goes up.
So now if I touch it, no, it doesn't stop. Maybe because it's going up.
Because it's going up, yeah.
No.
Yes, Cam.
I want my bed, Dad.
Yeah, I do. So that is the Family Infinite Balcony Room. I think you can only book this if you have 3 or more people. Low key, we booked a regular ocean view balcony room, and then I paid, I think it was like $75 per person, so $150, and we rolled up to this one, which is really nice because honestly, it's better than having Cam just sleep on the floor right next to us. It's nice that he has his own bed, and if you watched our past vlogs, he's always slept with my mom, so he's like always had his own bed. So
this is really nice.
this is so nice to have. So much space.
I feel like he's gonna wake up, or I'm gonna wake up first, and he's gonna continue sleeping. And
right, and you don't have to wake him up. You don't have to like tiptoe around.
Yeah.
And at night, like I don't feel so guilty coming home early now. Like if he needs to go to bed at 10:30 or 11, and we put him to sleep, close both of his curtains, and then we pull our curtains close, put on his little white noise machine, and then we just sit here on the balcony
and drink
and just have
a drink,
a talk.
Or talk.
You don't have to drink every minute. This is the end of the room tour. I hope you enjoyed. We're gonna get back to vlogging now. Catch the rest of our vlogs. Don't forget, if you really like this video and it did anything to help you, please like this video, subscribe to our channel,
and comment down below.
Comment down below, and follow us on Instagram because that's where you get everything live.
Yeah.
So this video is going up. This is, I guess, the day 1 boarding day. This video is going up ASAP, so you'll see this before everything else. Just know this week is going to be crazy, and if you don't want to miss anything, please subscribe. And if you want to see it right now and you can't wait for edited cool videos and you want to see the madness, follow us on
Instagram.
Follow us on IG. It's at The Floating Adventures. I would have edited that in, so.
Good job, babe.